Creator, how to create your initial home design. Alright, so when we first open up the app that we're going to be editing, it's going to bring us here to the design screen. You'll see we're over here in edit tab. We just select here and design. Alright, so what we're going to do is basically start to set up the template and the layout of our application. Alright, so if you want, you can choose a template by going here to choose your design. Select one of the templates here. We're always adding more, so just keep a lookout for that. Now, what we're going to do is going to kind of go blank. So you can choose the layout of your buttons here. I have these circles. We can switch it up to maybe this here. Whatever style you want out of these selections. Now, what you can also do is display a home page slider. So if I select here on this little box, we can have an image slideshow come up top here across our screen. So what I mean by that is, let's say we can choose how many screens, and we can have them go in a loop if we want. And what it's going to look like if I go ahead and add pictures, as I select this red button here, it's going to go into my pictures for a second, and I'm going to select some photos. So let's do these guys here, and open. Alright, it's going to access to crop. It's okay. And we're going to do this for another photo as well. And maybe lips, since they're here. Okay, so obviously the pictures don't look well with this app, but for example purposes, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so if I come back over here, it's going to display a slideshow for us. So you can get really creative with this, and when you have the right images and the right backgrounds to make this look really nice, you can loop them or not loop them and have them be like this, like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off because I don't like the images. Now the next thing we're going to do is choose our home page image. Simply, you're going to go here, change your photo, select the photo for your background. It's going to ask you to crop for the right sizes. You can use the same background on all the pages by selecting here, or if you don't want to do that, you deselect. Now you can also choose to hide the iOS status bar up here by the battery and the service. We can do that. If our app is open, we don't want to see it, we can do it just like that. Okay, you're going to choose your country next. The country is very important because this is going to determine what your currency is. So since I'm in the United States, I'm going to use the United States here. You're going to see your sign here, your symbol for your money. Select here, and that's it. The next thing you do is choose your font family. I went with Georgia, and we have a couple different options here for you. And that is pretty much it. I will talk to you next tutorial on other parts of your application.